Astrology with Mary. Now, you can find me every week on Libsyn, or if you Google Learn Astrology with Mary, you'll find my podcast. So if you want more information about how to learn astrology, the first 20 episodes will teach astrology to you, and those audios are on my YouTube channel. So if you listen to the first 20, that's it. You know all about astrology. But what I'm focusing on in these 3 videos is some information about the equal house system, because there aren't that many people that use it. There are some in the UK. I don't think there's many in the US. There are some. It's the system I use. I like it because it's easy. I like to believe that it's best to keep things easy, because then we can help people more quickly. You can make astrology terribly complicated if you want to, and I'm not a fan of being complicated. So we're going to use for this 3rd video, and the final one in this series of Enjoying Equal House, why one of the oldest astrological house systems is so easy to use. Excuse me if I skip when I'm saying that. And we're going to be using the chart of a volunteer. I've called her Podcast Person, and this is her chart. So I am going to go around her chart in a bit more detail so you can understand the differences between equal house and other house systems. So her chart starts at 20 degrees Scorpio, 9 minutes and 42 seconds. That's the information that's down there. And it's in the sign of Scorpio. There's all her houses. She's got Saturn in the sign of Scorpio, 26 degrees, and it's in her first house. It's 6 degrees away from her ascendant, and it's retrograde. Her North Node is in the sign of Sagittarius. That's in her first house as well. And what I want to talk about, which is covered in the book, is these 3 planets here. They're all in her 9th house, and they're pretty close to each other. So she's got Sun, 28 degrees Capricorn, 47 minutes and 38 seconds, rounded up to 28 degrees and 48 minutes. So the Sun is in the sign of Cancer, and her Mercury is 0 degrees Leo, and her Uranus is 2 degrees Leo. So Uranus and Mercury are conjunct, very close together. So this is somebody that finds it difficult to think, because there's lots of ideas all the time, because Uranus is the planet of erratic happenings. But her sun sign is Cancer, which is a lot more emotional. But again, all 3 planets are located in her 9th house, and the 9th house is to do with long distance travel, further education, philosophy, etc. This is someone that wants to believe. Believing is really important. If you want to look for belief in someone's house, check out either their Jupiter, the sign it's in, location, etc., and also check to see where they're what's in their 9th house, because the 9th house represents people's beliefs. Now, she's got 1 planet in the sign of Cancer, 2 planets in the sign of Leo. It doesn't matter that they're in different signs. You'll interpret each one for the house that it's in. Sun in the 9th likes to travel, further education, philosophy. Mercury there likes to talk about the travel that they've done, and because it's in Leo, wants to be proud about what they're talking about, to do with what they've learnt. She is a perpetual student, this person. Uranus, the sudden happening planet. I'm suddenly going to go on holiday type of thing, to somewhere warm and sunny where I'm going to be admired, because those are all Leo things. So even though a lot of people yearn for the computer program that will give them the interpretation to the planet in the sign in the house, you can use your imagination, and also you can use the keywords that I've put in my book, Enjoying Equal House. I've put keywords for the houses, I've put keywords for the planets, and I've put keywords for the signs. So you can make a 3-word sentence, which would be a very awful sentence to make with just 3 words in it. But you can have 3 keywords to then understand the planets that you have in the houses that you have them in the signs you have. And you won't need to go zooming all around the internet to try and find a computer program that do it for you. You are unlikely to find one that will give you the planet in the sign in the house, because there's 10 planets, 12 houses, 12 signs, and I wouldn't want to be the person that did the interpretation of all that. Maybe somebody has done now, but you can do it yourself by using the quick and easy keywords that I have put in my book. So these are short little videos just giving you a teeny little taster of my book, Enjoying Equal House, which is available. Just Google it, you'll find it. It's on Amazon. I'll put the link to Books2Read, which is the producer, the publisher that's published it for me. I hope you have a fab week. If you've got any questions, please pop them in the comments. I'll reply when I'm available next. And I hope you have a lovely time. Bye bye now.